Hello bachcho, let's see the question, and the question says a hydride of nitrogen which is acidic is, and we have given these four options. So from all of these options we have to find out the acidic hydride of nitrogen. So आइए इस क्वेश्चन को करते हैं. First of all we have to discuss about the key concept ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. इस क्वेश्चन में कौन सा की कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो यूज हो रहा है. सो बेसिकली इट विल डिपेंड अपॉन द concept of Lewis acid and Lewis base. Lewis base. सो लुइस एसिड और लुइस बेस के कंसेप्ट के ऊपर बेस्ड है ये क्वेश्चन. सो आइए हर एक ऑप्शन को हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं कि कौन सा जो ऑप्शन है वो किस टाइप का नेचर रखता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव गिवन अमोनिया, and in case of ammonia we know that the structure of ammonia is like that. This is the structure of ammonia, and we have a lone pair present over this nitrogen. So it is a electron rich species and it can donate a pair of electron. That is why it is Lewis base. Lewis base. It is Lewis base. So it is basic in nature. Now we are going to discuss about the second option, and the second option is N2H4. N2 and H4. So in this case we have to again write down the structure of this hydride, and it is two nitrogens are attached with a single bond. They are attached with a single bond, and there are four hydrogens. So these four hydrogens will found in such a way that here this is the first hydrogen and this is second hydrogen, and again we can say that here this is the first hydrogen and this is the second hydrogen which is attached over this hydrogen, and both of these nitrogens also have two lone pairs, and these two lone pairs are responsible for the Lewis basic nature. It is also a Lewis base. So we can say that because it have lone pair, that is why it can donate a pair of electron. So we can say that it is Lewis base. So it is also basic in nature. Now we are moving to the third option, and it is N2H2, and again we have to draw the structure of N2 and H2. So we can say that here the two nitrogen atoms are attached with a multiple bond here, and we can say that here the two hydrogens are present over these two nitrogens, and there we can say that lone pair will also present over these two nitrogens. So due to these lone pairs we can again say that it can also a electron rich species and it can donate a pair of electron. So it is again we can say that Lewis base. Now we are going to discuss about the fourth part, and this is N3H, and in this case we have to discuss about the structure of N3H. So here the structure of N3H is, we can say that this is hydrogen and it is attached with this nitrogen, and after that this is further attached with this nitrogen, and there are multiple bond again between these two nitrogens, and here we can say that there will be a positive charge over this nitrogen and there will be a negative charge over this nitrogen. It is acidic in nature because after losing the electron we will get this type of ion, and we can say that it will becomes N, and here the multiple bond is present, and after that N positive is present here, and after that with a multiple bond N negative is attached here. So when the hydrogen will leave the remaining substance we will get that this bond will break down and the electrons will come over this nitrogen. So here we will get a negative charge. So it is a conjugate base. Cb can be represented by Cb, conjugate base, and it is very stable due to resonance. So we know that if the conjugate base is stable, then the acid will be a stronger acid. So we can say that this is acidic in nature. So we can say that the fourth option, it is the D option, which is the correct answer of this question. I hope you understood the question.